Hi, guys.
And we're going to have a little fun today.
I feel like we're in for something really good. I love cheese.
These guys are smooth.
I don't believe in anybody.
Let's do it.
Hi, guys. This is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here with another Patreon request. Polly has decided to endear herself to us with a cello act.
Nice.
Because we love the cello, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And she doubled up by making it a song that comes from Game of Thrones, which we are also quite large fans of.
Kind of lost track of the TV series, but I've read all the books.
Yep.
Let me tell you, the funniest thing ever was watching the first episode of the TV series, knowing what was going to happen to Bran and looking over at Ginger just as it was going to happen.
Such a turkey, right? Like, for anybody who's seen the show or read the books, right? That first episode, I had not read the books. It was totally new to me. And he pushes that boy out the tower.
Spoiler alert.
Total spoiler. Sorry. Who hasn't seen it? Who's going to watch it? Right? Like, if you haven't seen it yet, you're not planning to watch it. That's my opinion. But when he shows that boy out the tower, boy,
the look on her face.
My soul left my body for a split second. I was like, oh, I just couldn't believe it.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. So anyway, but we do really love the music from it because it's fabulous.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever wrote the score was top notch.
Yep.
So she's asked for The Reigns of Castamere by a lady named Tina GUO. So
let's hear what we get.
yeah. It's a good thing I always pay my debts.
I wish winter was only coming and not already here.
Right. As long as it goes.
Sounds like rain, doesn't it?
I do love me the cello.
Yeah, me too.
I'd love to be able to play that instrument. That would be amazing. It's probably my favorite instrument. It's tight, guys, because there's a couple I love the violin and I love the piano. But the cello is probably my favorite by just a hair. It's such a perfect instrument.
It really is.
It's a really great sound.
What an amazing score, you're right, to the television show. We're kind of in a golden age for that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the music on TV shows in the last 10 years.
Exceptionally good.
Yeah,
right? You take things like that came from the 60s and the 70s, right? Like the Three's Company, and, right?
Yes.
And you're going, oh, Lord, TV music was
Yeah.
kind of cheesy. But now TV music is, I mean, you can rival classical scores.
Yeah. I'm thinking of the theme from House of Cards. I really enjoyed.
Yeah.
Maybe if you've seen The Expanse, it's got a beautiful theme. Like all kinds of really, really beautiful music being done for TV.
Hannibal had a really great opening scene song, and there's the Agnes Obel that opens Cardinal that we really, really like, and just so many great things to choose from all different kinds of genres. That's the thing that makes it amazing.
Yep.
Right? Like TV used to be like, it used to be the subgenre. That was the B list. You were a movie star and then you were a TV star, and they completely swapped roles these days.
Yeah,
and that goes with the music too.
Or at least equivalent, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
crazy.
There's so much good stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
It's amazing we get anything done.
Yeah, that's true. Lots of people like to turn their nose down at TV, and there's plenty of trash on TV. That's for sure. But there's also a lot of we love stories, right? We love stories, and there's so many really good ones there now. And when you accompany them with like really good quality cinematography and excellent quality music like that, and it really is, it can be quite the experience.
For sure.
Yeah, that was great. She was really good.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'd totally listen to more of her. Yeah, and what a presentation, man. I don't know where I can get one of those headdresses. I can wear it on the
Looked like it weighed more than
here.
her cello.
It probably did. Anyway, hopefully, thank you, by the way, Polly, for the suggestion. And hopefully you all enjoyed that enough. You're going to want to say, play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.